So we're here with Kristen today. Kristen, thanks for joining us. Why did you join ForeverStrong?
So I found out about ForeverStrong online, where we get a lot of great information. I was actually coming off a shoulder surgery, and I had just been given the okay to start working out, and I was super excited and ready to try something different. And then I started having an issue with a foot issue. And then when I came across the ForeverStrong reviews, it talked about personalized training in a group setting, and I was disappointed and worried I wasn't going to be able to get back at it after I had been out for a long time. And so I read the reviews, and I gave Kelly a call, and that's how I got here.
I remember talking to you on the phone, and you said, "I'm in a boot right now." And she wasn't talking about like winter boots, and but you knew that you wanted to start getting back. And I said, Kristen, she said, should I wait until I finish my physical therapy and I'm out of the boot completely? And I said, no, because I want you to see and experience now that we can start helping you, and you're going to get tremendous progress. And if we can help you while you're still this limited, imagine what we're going to be able to do for you. And I wanted that for you because a lot of times when people are recovering from injury, they have setback as well along the way. And I didn't want you to feel like you were coming in ready to go, and then if maybe they had to put you in a brace or something like that, you'd have to stop. And so, yeah, are you glad that you started in that position? What was that like for you?
Yeah, I'm glad. It was super awkward. But it was great because I was able to, my workout, definitely was worked around having the boot on, and, you're limited and whatnot, but there was still so much that I could do, and I was just so happy that I hadn't waited. I think that's the biggest problem when you have an injury. You're just waiting and you're doing nothing, and you don't know what you should do and what you shouldn't do, and you go to the gym and look around, you get overwhelmed. And so I was in it for probably a good 6 weeks when I started, at least. And I sort of have an ongoing issue, so I'm sure at some point I'll be in it again, but now I'm comfortable to know that I can work around it and still be getting a lot of benefit.
Yeah, we're going to modify your program or revamp it as many times as we need to make sure that we're matching your skill level and your ability level the whole way. So for you, what do you like best overall about being here?
I like that every day is different, that you never know what it's going to be, and it's kind of always surprising. And then there's good things. There's definitely days where I'll do something, I'll be like, gosh, I should really be doing this at home. This feels really good. But it won't be anything that I've done before or anything that I know about. So I feel like, especially with just stretching and some things that we should all be doing a lot more, that I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
So,
the functional aspect of training.
Yeah, so I love that.
Great. And then what would you say to someone, maybe like you, who's considering joining?
I would just say definitely come and do it. Come and try it, because I've been a gym rat my whole life, and I've done all different boutique kind of class stuff, and it's just really different. It's a unique experience. It's a really friendly and upbeat atmosphere, and you're constantly getting little corrections and tweaks that make you that much better. So come try.
Great. And then one last question. For all of our clients, when they're considering joining, because this is so different, our model is different. So it's not personal training quite, but it's not group fitness. So, even our pricing is right in the middle of that. How do you justify making that investment in yourself?
I think for me, it's really the personalized aspect, because it's not full-on personal training, but you do have your own fitness goals, and you have your own program that's based on that. And I think that, that kind of keeps you healthy, and it keeps working on what you need, and it avoids, what you don't need, so to speak. So that's how I justify it.
Yeah, and in a group fitness environment, a traditional one, you wouldn't have been able to start with us, even probably now. Right?
Yeah.
So we're able to help you kind of come right in the middle there.
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
Great. Well, thanks for the testimonial.
You're
we
welcome.
Appreciate it. Looking forward
Thank
to
you.
great things in the future with you.
Definitely. Thanks.